times when it is compared with same volume of liquid water. A 9, B 5, C 6, D 2. Answer: D 2. 2. Molar heat of vaporization is the amount of heat required to convert 1 mole of A liquid into its vapors at its boiling point. B. A liquid into its vapors. C. Solids into vapors. D. Solid into liquid at its melting point. Answer: A liquid into its vapors at its boiling point. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry Nails. Thank you. 3. The extensive property is proportional to the change in of material. A. Temperature. B. Volume. C. Mass. D. Quantity. Answer: D. Quantity. 4. The value of surface tension of isopropyl alcohol is A. Less than water. B. Less than ethylene glycol. C. Less than methyl alcohol. D. Same as ethyl alcohol. Answer: A. Less than water. 5. Which one is not related with evaporation? A. Continuous. B. Endothermic. C. Exothermic. D. Spontaneous. Answer: C. Exothermic. 6. The property of liquid that is measured by polarimeter. A. Conductance. B. Refractive index. C. Optical activity. D. Change in volume. Answer: C. Optical activity. 7. 15 grams of urea is dissolved in 180 cc of water. The relative lowering of vapor pressure is A. 0.024. B. 25.024. C. 10.25. D. 1.025. Answer: A. 0.024. 8. Which of the following process is endothermic? A. The condensation. B. The electrolysis of water. C. The freezing of water. D. Sao plus 2HO right pointing arrow CaO plus H. Answer: B. The electrolysis of water. 9. The osmotic pressure of equimolar solution of BaCl, NaCl and sucrose will be in the order: A. Sucrose greater than NaCl greater than BaCl. B. Sucrose greater than BaCl greater than NaCl. C. NaCl greater than BaCl greater than sucrose. D. BaCl greater than NaCl greater than sucrose. Answer: D. BaCl greater than NaCl greater than sucrose. 10. Which of the following has the lowest vapor pressure at 20 degrees Celsius? A. Diethyl ether. B. Chloroform. C. Carbon tetrachloride. D. Water. Answer: D. Water. 11. Freezing point will also be defined as that temperature at which A. Particles of solid and liquid phases have the same density. B. Ke of solid particles becomes 0. C. Vapor pressure of liquid is equal to vapor pressure of solid. D. Intermolecular spaces are equal in both phases. Answer: Circa. Vapor pressure of liquid is equal to vapor pressure of solid. 12. The value of surface tension of isopropyl alcohol is A. Less than water. B. Less than ethylene glycol. C. Less than methyl alcohol. D. Same as ethyl alcohol. Answer: A. Less than water. 13. Ice floats on the surface of water due to A. Large body length. B. Cubic structure of ice. C. Weak intermolecular forces. D. Empty spaces in the structure of ice. Answer: D. Empty spaces in the structure of ice. 14. Which of the following has the highest electrical conductivity? A. Aqueous sugar solution. B. Solid graphite. C. Solid sodium chloride. D. Gaseous carbon dioxide. Answer: B. Solid graphite. 15. A crystal system having all sides A, B and C unequal in angles as B equals gamma equals 90 degrees is A. Cubic. B. Rhombohedral. C. Orthorhombic. D. Hexagonal. Answer: C. Orthorhombic. 16. The substance which conducts electricity by the movement of ions is A. Graphite. B. Copper. C. Molten NaCl. D. Mercury. Answer: C. Molten NaCl. 17. Silicon is found in nature in form of A. Sulfides. B. Silicates. C. Only silicates. D. Oxides. Answer: B. Silicates. 18. Choose the correct statement. A. Diamond is the hardest and graphite is softest. B. Graphite is the hardest while lamp black is softest. C. Coal is the hardest and coke is softest. D. Diamond is the hardest and coke softest. Answer: A. Diamond is the hardest and graphite is softest. 19. The 4 bonds of carbon in methane are directed towards the corners of A. Cube. B. Pentagon. C. Hexagon. D. Tetrahedron. Answer: D. Tetrahedron. 20. The crystals formed as a result of van der Waals interactions are A. Molecular crystals, B. Covalent crystals, C. Metallic crystals, D. Ionic crystals. Answer: A. Molecular crystals. 21. Which statement shows that diamond and graphite are allotropes of carbon? A. Both have giant molecular structures. B. Complete combustion of equal masses of carbon dioxide is the only product. Answer: A. Both have giant molecular structures. 22. The alloy of copper and tin is called A. Brass, B. Bronze, C. German silver, D. Metal. Answer: B. Bronze. 23. Which of the following has the highest electrical conductivity? A. Aqueous sugar solution, B. Solid graphite, C. Solid sodium chloride, D. Gaseous carbon dioxide. Answer: B. Solid graphite. 24. Solid NaCl is a bad conductor of electricity because A. Solid NaCl is covalent, B. In solid state, there are no ions, C. In solid NaCl, there is no migration of ions, D. In solid NaCl, there are not electrons. Answer: C. In solid NaCl, there is no migration of ions. 25. Which of the following solids is an example of a substance with a macromolecular structure? A. Aluminium chloride, B. Ice, C. Magnesium oxide, D. Silicon IV oxide. Answer: D. Silicon IV oxide. 26. Which of the following is not a molecular solid? A. Bromine, B. Sulfur, C. Phosphorus, D. Carbon dioxide. Answer: D. Carbon dioxide. 27. The lattice energy is also called as A. Energy of affinity, B. Bond energy, C. Crystal energy, D. Potential energy. Answer: C. Crystal energy. 28. Electrical conductivity of graphite is greater in one direction than in other due to A. Isomorphism, B. Cleavage plane, C. Anisotropy, D. Symmetry. Answer: C. Anisotropy. 29. Which state diamond and graphite are allotropes of carbon? A. Both have giant molecular structures, B. Complete combustion produces equal masses of carbon dioxide as the only product. Answer: A. Both have giant molecular structures.